team, Derrek here with the Closet Doctor, and I'm going to go over the improvements that we made today to just make things better at the Closet Doctor. We actually made improvements during our morning meeting. Let me show you what we got. First one, so this is our morning meeting area, and this guy here was always right over here. So in the morning, one of the first things we had to do was come in and move that. So I moved it, and I said, you know what we're going to do? We're going to put these corners on, these Kaizen corners here. At the end of the day, we're going to set a standard of what this should look like. So we come in the morning that we're ready for our meeting. So that was the first one. We gave this a home. Second thing, Michael did this the other day. We've had this dartboard. It's been kicking around for about a year, hasn't been installed. And we're going to use that for an employee reward program and get the opportunity to throw a dart and win some stuff. Anyways, we were looking for a place to put it, and we had the back of these racks was open. And so what we did is we had some scrap high gloss white. So we put a whiteboard on here. We used our closet hanging clips. The whiteboard just actually hangs on the rack. So if we need to take that off, turn that around, it's mobile. And then same thing with the dartboard, it hangs on a clip on the back here. So we can take it off. We can use this as a whiteboard. Same thing with the darts. We put them on one of our hanging brackets, and now it just hangs right there. So that's our improvement there. We're going to fine tune that program over the next couple of weeks. Big one of the things we do when we get back, we go over our jobs and we rate them. And so up here we have great jobs, done but, and it didn't go as planned. That's the things that we do. And so done but is, hey, the job's all done. There was things that we can improve on. I could have done better on the job. Great job is we come back and we go, oh my gosh, that job went perfect. And so we rate those jobs, and we also keep our number. This is in the paperwork, and they haven't been doing it here. This is where we put our install per hour, how much money we installed for every guy that was on the job by the hour. Well, we put that into an Excel spreadsheet. This is our big numbers tracker. And so now in the morning when we're hooked up on the TV, we're just going to go over those numbers and we're going to fill it in here. So it'll just go directly into the paper. It won't get put up here, be in the way, and then have to get transposed. It'll happen right here in real time. The installers will go over that and we can go back and track that. We trained on how we can sort that and make it nice and easy. We're going to make a Gemba doc for that. The other one is we have for our morning meeting stretches on the desktop, we have our stretch playlist. Well, when you double click that and open it, the same video comes up every morning. And so we said, you know what we're going to do? We just went in, and you can move this stuff around in the playlist and resort it. And we just resort it so that it moves one to the top and you don't have to go and check it. And we don't have, the one that was at the top was a boring video. And so now we've got the fancy one on there. So morning meeting stretch. So those are all improvements we made in there. And the other one, we did some training. Get this. And we'll go with this one here. Where'd it go? Alex sent in his video and he shot it horizontal, but his phone was still on vertical. And so we took him out and showed everybody that has an iPhone how you can actually rotate that. He resent the video, made an improvement in real time, and now everybody that has an iPhone knows how to do that. If you have an Android, I don't know if it's possible. Sorry, go to the Apple store and get yourself an iPhone. That's all of our improvements for today. Guys are out the door. We're doing a little bit of 3S'ing in the shop and making things look better and making improvements. Everybody have a good day.